Yeah. Wow. Yes, boo. That's right. Yeah, boo. Yes.
Flow hotter than pepper spray. Spit it for my kinky hat kinsmen that have been let us
Yeah, boo.
put it in hopes to decimate all they ops, cause on our blocks we learn to regulate from Warren G. It's not no easy when you listen to that G upside. I hit it on repeat. Go, then I hit it out the mud, my feet out the puddle. One from you yapping and start clapping like it's time to break the hood. Oh, really break. I remember eating Fritos with them paper trays. Both my homeboys with the hands after 7th grade. And most my homegirls had humble engines with heavy weight. It's time to elevate.
Yeah, boo.
You can see me shining in the shade. We ain't came up off some good day. It's time to elevate.
Uh-huh.
If it happened, baby, let it hate.
Abash.
You can see me shining in the shade. We ain't came up off some good day. Came straight from out the slums, so I need a check. But then Jordan runs. I swear it's for all around.
That's called the round.
That's right.
What happened? I'm not the cop. What happened to the cop?
One hand.